disappear bago po sila pumasok. Picture po muna. Yes.
Okay, look here. 1, 2. One more. Okay, go.
Thank you so much! Ito na! Finally mag-start na ang premiere ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Maraming salamat din to everyone that made it out here. Sa lahat po na may tickets, pwede na po kayong pumasok na sa cinema. At para sa lahat ng mga fans that came here, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa
ang pagbabalik ng rom-com na talagang minahal at na-miss natin from the powerhouse storyteller ng rom-com movie Stars Cinema. Ito na. Are we ready for our cast? Here we go. Yes guys, sinabas. Ay, ate, baliktad po yung poster ninyo.
Love that. And support.
Okay, ayusin muna natin yung mga posters natin. Ilabas na po natin yung mga cellphones natin. Don't forget to use our hashtags. My Love Will Make You Disappear. Introducing Natasha E. Franco, Kelsey Lasam, and Lucas Andalio. Ayan.
And let's also welcome Pee-wee O'Hara, Karina Bautista, Martin Escudero, Mix Almendras, Nico Antonio, Bench Manalo, Lovely Abelia Manalo, Wilma Dozen, and Melanie Cantiveros as the voice of Cookie.
Ayan po. Once again, we have here our cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear. Ma'am Shimelay, hello po.
Hello, Ma'am Shimelay.
Ayun. Hello, everyone. Okay. Again, Natasha E. Franco, Kelsey Lasam, Lucas Andalio.
We have Pee-wee O'Hara, Carolina Bautista, Martin Escudero, Mix Almendras, Nico Antonio, Bench Manalo, Lovely Abelia Manalo, Wilma Dozen, and Melay Cantiveros.
Ayan. At syempre, ito, huwag na natin patagalin pa, Jay. Let's give it up for the director, Direct Chad Vidales! And Viva Superstars, Kim Chu and Paolo Avelino!
Yes, Direct Chad, and na rin ang Kim Pao!
Kim Chu and Paolo Avelino! Ito na po ang cast ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Okay, before anything, of course, Jay, isang photo op muna.
Yes.
Yan.
Smile onto our camera. Ayan, smile to the camera. Ganda ng kalat nila, color scheme nila. Very fast.
Grabe yung color palette, di ba?
Totoo. And of course, we would love to know from Direct Chad Vidales, anong gusto mo sabihin, of course, to all the fans and supporters really waiting for this film. And ito na nga yung moment, no? Mapapalabas na starting tonight and tomorrow ang world premiere.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito. Baka tumagal mag-isa-isahin ko eh. Enjoy na lang natin ito pelikula. Sana magustuhan nyo at sana may makuha kayong magandang lesson dito sa pelikula ko. Maraming salamat. Sana bukas supportan natin sa cinemas. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, we would also love to know, of course, the thoughts of the one and only Kim Chu!
May ka-date siya. Congrats! Ayan, nasabi ko ha.
Date reveal!
Ma'am si Kelsey, Angga, thank you so much sa lahat naman nandito. Thank you so much. Ito naman. Okay, from OA to nonchalant. Let's give it up for Paolo Avelino!
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. I want to thank everyone for coming, to all our supporters, fans. Our bosses, our colleagues from work. The brands that are here. Salamat, maraming salamat.
Once again, everyone, Cinema 3, let's give it up for the cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear!
Alright, thank you so much to all the cast. And of course, sa mga fans na nandito ngayon, you may now settle down. Siyempre, sana nakaready na ng mga popcorns nyo as we go to our respective seats. And once again, of course, we would love to remind everyone. But for now, of course, let's allow everyone to settle down. Ayan, of course, tuwa-tuwa na lang ang fans ng Kim Pao, Q Global, and the fans, of course, also of Paula Avellino, and the whole cast. Ayan, and my love will make you disappear.
A big congratulations po to Direct Chad, to also ABS-CBN Studio Star Cinema, Sir Pico Del Rosario, congratulations! And of course, the whole cast as well of My Love Will Make You Disappear.
Saan nga po?
As in,
Visayas, Mindanao, Mindanao nila.
yung pinaka-latest ano nila, Gen Z.
Yes, Gen Z.
Batangas. Yes. Bongga. Okay. So again, we would also like to remind everyone, nakikita ko naman na lahat ng phones nyo ay naka-record. So don't forget to post and use our hashtags, hashtag My Love Will Make You Disappear, and hashtag MLWMYD, the world premiere.
Ang inabang pa natin siya ng other reactions. Kung ngayon, siyempre before, naka-record na sila, pwede rin nila makita mga reactions. Pero after, yung haba, masaya na, smiling the whole time, we will see in just a few moments.
Ayan. Yes. Thank you as well to our friends from the media who are here to help us and who are covering as well from the red carpet from Julia Vargas to here, and also the crew who made this possible.
Yes, shout out, of course, to the promo team of Star Cinema, the whole Star Cinema family, for making this film possible.
Yes, grabe, we are so excited. 2025 truly is our year.
Yes, totoo yan. And kung, of course, gusto nyo pa magpaka-bongga for tonight, pwede pa rin magpunta ng vlog screenings.
Yes.
For
Okay.
our beloved Kim Pao.
Yes, again, Jay, we would like to thank again our friends from the media. Thank you so much. Let's all settle down. Dahil I think thank you guys for being here, for supporting ABS-CBN Studios and Star Music.
Thank you so much for all the love and again, strength to your friends and family. Let's all support our Filipino films. My name is Jay Miranda.
And my name is Ana Perlas. Thank you so much for being here. And syempre, Jay, let's enjoy the show.
Yes, everyone else called and of course, Tristan Perez for our praise.